Hey everybody, welcome back to the Light Minute with Spectrum Lighting. I'm Markus Earley. Let's go explore what's possible with light. In today's session, we're going to talk about beam spreads, beam angle, and field angle for directional interior lighting. Understanding the basics can save precious design time and make the difference between success and failure on the job site. LED chips are inherently directional with approximately 110-degree conical dispersion of light, which is then redirected into a particular beam pattern by a reflector or a TIR optic within the fixture. For directional fixtures such as track lights, recessed lights, or surface lights like our CR2 series, several beam patterns are typically available, such as extra narrow spot, spot, flood, and extra wide flood. But there's more to it than that. Each beam pattern can be evaluated in terms of its beam angle and field angle. The beam angle is the angle at which the optic produces 50% of the maximum center beam candle power. The resulting brightest central light pattern is often referred to in plain language as the visual beam. Field angle is the angle at which the optic produces 10% of the maximum center beam candle power. The resulting spill light pattern is often referred to as the visual edge. In the design of directional light fixtures, it is desirable to have minimal field angle spill light. When there is a wide field angle, accessories such as louvers, barn doors, and snoots can come in handy. Our spec sheets provide detailed information, and photometrics are posted online. At Spectrum Lighting, we care about the results of the quality of your project. If you have questions, please post them below. And stay tuned for the next Light Minute with Spectrum Lighting. Thanks.